What up, guys? I built myself a laser engraver. I used parts from 2 old 3D printers, and then just had to get a CNC board and a laser, which I've had it for a couple years now, but I just never did anything with them. I had to 3D print a whole bunch of different legs and different little parts and pieces to connect all this together. I did follow a guide, but most of the things in the guide I wasn't able to use. I was able to just use it as more or less base design parts. But yeah, just pretty simple. 2 linear rails, 2 stepper motors, a couple belts, some parts. I did reconfigure a phone mount, a module phone mount that I found online, and I made it into a way that I can change the Z axis by just turning that knob there. It's just running through the computer right now through the USB. Pretty good quality. But if anyone's interested, if I get any comments of people who are interested, I'll post all the STL files and everything that I did. I'll post the original link to the video that intrigued me and got me onto this adventure as well. But I'm excited to see what I can do with this. It's a 5.5 watt SandSmart laser. And then just the matching CNC motherboard for it as well. A few limit switches. Lots of wires, lots of time, and yeah, I'm excited about this. Kind of cool. If anyone has any questions, if anyone has any suggestions, show them below. But more videos about this stuff and 3D printing coming soon, guys. It's the other hobby. Cheers. I'm impressed with that.